Hey, the Day of Hope Car Show is back. Come support the Children's Justice Center, where abused children receive expert care and counseling in a safe, comfortable environment.
No child deserves to be abused. Help us make it stop.
By giving your support and attending the Day of Hope Car Show Saturday, August 13th from 10 a.m. until 2:30 at West Jordan's Veterans Memorial Park. There will be food, fun, and hundreds of cool cars. All proceeds go to the Children's Justice Center. Please join us and help give child victims hope.